Hello guys, I'm Satvik and we have done a new project based on introduction that is introduction to gesture based communication. It's a project where in a real world where the communication is a key, individuals with hearing and speech barrier imprints often face barriers that hinder their interactions. These traditional methods are such a sign language are effective but not universally understood. A project hand gesture recognition for deaf and dumb aid communication aims to bridge this gap using the advanced technologies like machine learning, that is ML, and artificial intelligence and image processing. And by translating hand gestures into text and speech in real time, we enable seamless communication and accessibility for those who rely on non-verbal interactions. So understanding this importance of this gesture recognition is like enhancing for hearing and speech impaired hand gesture serves as fundamental mode of communication for deaf and dumb community. So, however, this misinterruption and lack of universal awareness of a sign language creates challenges. Our system ensures that the individuals can express themselves effectively, feels greaterly in inclusion in the society. So this bridging the communication gap, and for many cases, hearing impaired individuals struggle with communications with those unfamiliar sign language. So a real-time translation can provide an effective solution by instantly converting gestures into text or speech, enabled smoother interactions. So when we come to the by improving communication, gesture recognition technology can open doors to education and many job opportunities for different dumb people. Imagine a student using a system in a classroom, an employee using it during the work discussions, workplace barriers are removed, and participation is enhanced with the deaf and dumb people so that they could upright them. So some also we have faced many challenges with this traditional gesture recognition system, like limited accuracy in the recognition. Um, these traditional systems often rely on predefined datasets, which may not cover a wide range of gestures. Some methods require expensive sensors or wearables, making them impractical for everyday use. The dependency on the fixed environments, like many gesture recognition systems, perform poorly in varying lighting conditions and background noise and environmental stuff and all that. So, leveraging these advanced technologies like machine learning and deep learning recognition, using these advanced neural networks and deep learning models significantly enhance the accuracy of the gesture recognition. By training on the diverse data sets, the systems can generalize better across different users, hand shapes, and motion speeds. This is the flowchart, and we are using this image of the video, which captures the screen through this, and the single frame from the image or the video is segmented through the threshold, and we are converting this into a text in the form so that the people will understand. These are the various signs and the data sets we have taken. This indicates the different signs which include to communicate with the different dumb people. These signs indicate them to understand our language. So advantages of these modern techniques like artificial intelligence, like improved accuracy through deep learning based feature extraction, real-time processing for seamless communication, adaptability to different languages and sign variations. The hand gesture recognition system, a practical solution. So the key features of these systems are like smart recognition. This uses the deep learning to identify the hand gestures accurately. Real-time transitions. This converts the gestures into both text and speech instantly. And the user-friendly interface, it simplifies the graphical user interfaces, eases of the use, and multilingual support. It expands the accessibility to diverse the communities. While we are taking into the real world applications, supporting learning education through these sign languages. and enhancing this accessibility in workplaces, public places, and many other sectors. So normally when it comes to how it works, we have used this data processing and pre-processing. Hand gesture images are captured and cleaned for the training. Feature extraction ensures the key landmark points are recognized. Deep learning model training. Um, this is also uh, optimization. This optimizes the techniques and improves the accuracy and reduces the errors. So gestures to text and speech to conversations and text to speech module generates an audible response to the person. So challenges and limit when it comes to challenges and the limitations, data complexity and variability. Different hand signs, skin tones, backgrounds can impact the recognition. Continuous model updates are required for this better adaptability. So when it comes to the technical constraints, it processes large data sets can be computerly expensive. Balancing this speed and accuracy remains a challenge still for us. But when it comes to future advancements and the directions, so expanding the capabilities like integrating facial expressions and recognizing for the improved content. So supporting some additional languages and regional sign variations are yet to be included and will include that. Uh, Partnering with the accessible organizations to refine the system. So exploring this integration with the mobile devices can be for the greater reach. So these are the code lines that we have captured for the training and saved for the images. And this is for loading the data and training testing before the extracting features, we need to load also the organize the data set so that can be cleared and the clean content could be occurred for us. So these integration facial expression recognition for improved text awareness creates lot of us data. This includes that loading the training and testing the data for us. Extracting the serve features is nothing but we have used a serve model that is speed up robust features. It initializes serve detector normally, which is designed to extract the key points and descriptors from the image. These represent the unique features of the image, and then it preprocesses the each class of this serve feature, and it iterates to the image, which is a dictionary containing different gestures categories. And it also stores as storing descriptors. All the descriptors are stored in a list which collects from the features from every image. And later we have used this clustering process using the uh, k-means clustering. The number of descriptors extracted from the images is so high, so that we have used the clustering method. So ease our process and get our work back very quickly. And we have also uses the convolutional neural network, sin and revolution, so that each convolutional layer applies to filter the input image and varies to different layers of the system. And this is the model and the complication we have created. And this is the KNN model implementations that is choosing the value and doing all the processes. That's it. Capturing these processing like hand gestures are used by this interface, and we have pre-processed those hand gestures prediction so that it could be easy to generate a text and convert into a language so that we could understand how they communicate with us. And at the last, when we come to summary that project hand gesture recognition for deaf and dumb aid communication demonstrates the enhanced to accessibility and inclusivity. By leveraging deep learning, we provide an accurate real-time communication tool that communicates the tool with empowers individuals with the hearing and speech impairments. Imagine a world where communication barriers are no longer exist. That is the future we try to case in this project. And these are the different performance of the data set according to the each label and their accuracy percentage and learning the outcome. And this is the future scope that where we want to spread a world, there could be no communication barrier exists between a very deaf and dumb people, so that we could create a new world where communication could be no longer barrier. Thank you.